Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Today I'm going to analyze Nifty Midcap as well. Now, since we have a geopolitical tension around us, and to truly honest, all the index basically not only for the Indian market but also across the globe is going to show some kind of an impact. Okay, and the more impactful index which I personally feel would be one of them, like mid cap and small cap itself. I'll be coming back to small cap, but let's analyze mid cap of how things would be unfolding for next week or next few upcoming weeks. So here we can see we got a good trend. I mean the upper trend line breakout, okay, followed by the structural resistance breakout. But as you can see, there were a few of the doubts. I mean, the buyers were exhausted in these last week, I would say. Okay, and since the buyers were exhausted, and since we have a spinning top on the weekly chart forming on the mid cap, I personally feel that this is again going to retest somewhere around 49,300. If there is a maximum pain occurring here, then it may break this support level and bring it down to somewhere like 48,500 as well. Okay, so for mid caps, again, I would say those who are holding it for medium term time frame, there is no need to worry. Okay, but for the shorter time frame, or if you had a new addition to it, uh, then probably you guys have to exit. And the same is the story with small cap. So let's analyze small cap itself. So it's almost a similar story here in the small cap. Okay, so if we draw a trend line, the upper trend line, let me show you this. And there is a resistance line here, and similar story on the weekly chart. So if you observe a very close, there was a close fight on the proven resistance back then. It was an all-time high once upon a time in small cap, and again that particular level is going to haunt us. Okay, so probably now since we are expecting some sort of a correction, at least a gap down, then probably the immediate support for small cap will be 16,350. Okay, if things go wrong, if things go worse than this, I'm telling you, we are more likely to break this level, okay, and bring it down somewhere like way down. I mean, the the fall is quite more deeper than the mid cap itself. So please be very cautious while trading in any small caps. We better go for a longer term time frame. We better play for the medium time horizon. But nothing has been so much attractive looking into this market for the shorter time frame. Okay, again, please be very cautious. I hope that we take a support, the immediate support for both Nifty mid cap and the small cap. Okay, if we not, then I'm telling you, it will be a bloodbath. Thank you all.